I'm Dr. Ian Cavin. I'm a board-certified general surgeon, and one of my areas of interest is hernia repair. So with robotic surgery, the surgeon is actually in control of the robot the entire time. The surgeon sits at a console and operates the robotic arms. So we start the surgery by placing the cannulas into the abdominal cavity and then attaching these cannulas to the robotic arms. Once all those robotic arms are attached, then we can step away from the patient bedside and go sit at the console where we can operate through a screen. The benefit of this is I get a 3D image. It allows me with good depth perception, so it's very equivocal to operating in an open or traditional setting. So the advantage to a robotic procedure option is that you have a faster healing, faster recovery time. We're able to inspect both the left and the right inguinal canal for any hernia, and it can still be done as an outpatient procedure, so you can still go home the same day. You have less pain associated with this, and you have less need for narcotics, and also you're able to get back to whatever you want to do much quicker.